Hello, good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to answer NECO 2024 first question. So, a force of 150 Newton is applied perpendicularly to the end of a 30 centimeter spanner to remove a nut out. Calculate the moment of force. So, this question says we are going to calculate the moment of force, and the formula for calculating moment of force is this: m equals to force times distance. So the force is already given to us as 150 Newton, and then distance is 30 centimeters. So F equals to 150 Newton, and then D equals to 30 centimeter. So as you already know, we cannot use the distance in centimeter. We must change it into meter by dividing by 100. So if we divide this 30 by 100, we will have 0.3 meter. So let's just substitute. So moment equals to force, which is 150 multiplied by 0.3. So now 150 times 0.3 will give us 45 Newton. So please, if you like our video, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of this kind of video. Share for others, and then like and comment if you have a question or you have a word of motivation. Motivate us. Thank you.